Hey everyone! For this video, I'll teach you how to add a poll in your Instagram Reels. With this tutorial, you will be able to receive feedback from your friends and fans. The first thing to do is opening Instagram. Once you're here, you will see the Feed tab. So just swipe right to go to the Camera tab, and then tap on Reels. So just make your video, and then once you're done with that, tap on Next, and then you will see the stickers icon at the top of the screen. Here you will see various different questions and polls for your fans, so just tap on one of them and you can edit the question. And you can also edit the answers. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.